Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Dreamy Shabby Chic, weaving floral patterns in Seafoam green Serenity. Step into a world where time stands still and comfort reigns supreme. Welcome to the enchanting realm of shabby chic. This beloved style celebrates the beauty of imperfection, blending vintage charm with a soft, romantic palette for a truly timeless home. Imagine a sanctuary where gently worn furnishings meet delicate floral patterns and dreamy pastel hues. The perfect color combination to achieve this look is a soothing base of seafoam green and creamy off-white, which together create an atmosphere of tranquil, airy elegance. This palette evokes the gentle wash of ocean waves on a sandy shore, bringing a sense of calm and freshness to every room. Let these design ideas guide you in transforming your house into a haven of soft-edged, floral-adorned bliss. The charm begins before you even step inside, with the exterior setting a serene and inviting tone. Paint the front door in a soft seafoam green and frame it with climbing cream-colored roses or hydrangeas for a cottagecore feel. Weathered wooden benches and vintage-inspired lanterns add to the timeless, slightly worn aesthetic. A small white picket fence, perhaps with peeling paint, completes the picture-perfect, storybook entrance. Your home's introduction should be a gentle welcome that hints at the beauty within. Adorn the walls with a delicate, cream-based floral wallpaper to create an instant sense of warmth and romance. A distressed white or seafoam green console table holds a simple vase of fresh garden flowers, echoing the wall pattern. A vintage-inspired mirror with an ornate, chippy paint frame reflects light and makes the compact space feel larger and more open. This heart-of-the-home space should be the epitome of comfort and relaxed style. Upholster a large, overstuffed sofa in a durable cream fabric and layer it with an abundance of floral and textured seafoam green throw pillows. A centrally placed, well-loved wooden coffee table, stacked with books and a ceramic vase, becomes a charming focal point. Soft, sheer cream curtains allow natural light to filter in, enhancing the room's soft, dreamy, and utterly inviting ambience. Create a personal retreat that feels like a continuous, gentle sigh of relief. A statement headboard in distressed white or painted seafoam green sets a romantic tone against floral wallpapered walls. Dress the bed in a mix of creamy linens, crocheted blankets, and a floral quilt for luxurious tactile comfort. The final touch is a vintage crystal chandelier or a lamp with a fabric shade, casting a soft, warm glow perfect for rest and relaxation. Transform meals into enchanting occasions in a dining room designed for lingering conversations. A solid reclaimed wood table painted in cream pairs beautifully with mismatched seafoam green painted chairs. Overhead, a dramatic yet rustic chandelier with crystal droplets provides a touch of elegant sparkle and soft lighting. Display your finest white or floral china in an open, distressed hutch to contribute to the room's collected over time personality. Infuse this hardworking space with softness to make every chore feel a little more delightful. Paint or install seafoam green cabinetry and pair it with cream-colored marble or quartz countertops for a fresh, clean look. Open shelving made from reclaimed wood is perfect for displaying stacks of cream plates and vintage glassware. Finish the look with classic subway tiles and rustic, wrought iron hardware for a blend of rustic charm and timeless appeal. Turn your bathroom into a private, spa-like escape steeped in vintage elegance. A freestanding clawfoot tub, preferably in seafoam green or white, serves as the ultimate romantic centerpiece. Frame the mirror or a feature wall with the same delicate floral wallpaper used throughout the home to maintain design cohesion. Plush cream towels, a weathered wooden stool, And a little potted fern on the windowsill add the final layers of comfort and charm.